with Python with the community. So you will see most of the developers, okay, trying to use the name of the class, even when they call the super or the, you know, the static or the static property. This is the very, make you remember things better, okay? So now, what we can add here, what things we can add more when are using inheritance. What we achieve. If you diving with this item, the first things you will say hierarchical things. So for example, you have an animal, you can say I can build this kind of hierarchy object, okay? So as we saw before, so this is the class animal. So this is the object instantiation, okay? Now animal, if I wanted to minimize its property, so I can minimize the access, so I can, but I didn't use them here. I can minimize here. Are you seeing the Word document now?
Yes.
Yeah, so here I can say self __ age. But I didn't use them because I want to keep things simple here and not to have a lot of code here. So here we can use the getter and the setter. And if we want to prevent object from direct access, so we still be able to build this object, build this property as private. But I choose to keep things simple here. Now, what is important, try to use always getter and setter for when things becomes complicated, okay? Not for simple things, okay? So now, let me inherit that class. This is the class cat, inherit from animal, and, okay, it can add its own method. Now, for example, if I come back here and I, okay, use the employee, and let's say I call def this func1, okay, just to let you understand the concept. And let's say I print this is this method, in employee. Okay. Now let us say now, okay, even though, okay, and let's me copy this. Okay, let's call it func2. And here, I am here, and we'll paste this method, say here, and this is function1. This is by self. This I need to put here self and here self. Okay, now let's see what's happened. And here, this is person. Now this is important. Now, when I define an object of type employee that inherit person, all the methods here, and all the methods here are accessible for me. So for example, now I can say e.func1. So I can see that if I run it, okay, if I run that, so this is method in person. At the same time, okay, if I try now to type the second method, so I have it, okay, here, and this class going to be scaled quickly. Okay, so this is one option. Okay, one more things that we can do rather than inherit basic class, add functionality, we can override the str, the string. I'm not going to implement that. It is enough that you can see here the str. So you can write anything. You can still here be able, for example, to copy, for example, or to write here the str, def, str, okay, and self, and then, okay, as you can see here, okay, you can return a string with any information. So let's take just simple things, okay, so I can return, let's say self dot salary, self dot salary, yeah. I type here, okay. Okay, and let me type str of this object. And now I can, when I type print, okay, employee, I hope that I didn't make any mistake, but I have some feeling that something goes wrong here. No, it's okay. So this is the mistake, but the IntelliSense didn't work enough quickly. So I can, let's say, add another str, and then get the self dot something from the, let's say here was name, yeah, just for an example. So I can re-implement that again and again as I wanted. So the most of the developers who is experienced with software development, mostly you defined here something like JSON or XML string, so you can use it later. Okay, so this is things that commonly use. So now, which method to use? So this is coming to say that you are free to use any method you want, okay? The same thing at the super or at the derived class. So here a detailed information that I based my explanation, so you can come here and see what I write. So this is a composition. Please recall here, let me say that a person inherit from animal, okay? This is a very handy demo. Let's say that a class person, okay, inherit of animal. At the same time, look at how much the composition is great technique. Look at here. I can say self friends, okay, equal to list. So now you can add to the person friends, let us say, yeah? And this is composition based on list abstract data type. So this is a very strong things, okay? As you can see here, okay, I also can, okay, get friends here by returning this list, and I can iterate over them as we saw in the list section, okay, and so on. So this is another implementation. Now you can see also here that I inherit from person here, okay, animal, I inherit from animal. Now I can inherit from person, okay? Now here things coming to be complicated, not because it's difficult. You will start thinking what I can remember here, so code become more not maintainable. It's difficult to maintain. So be aware not to use a lot of okay, too much inheritance. Just when there is no way. So here, as you can see now, I also inherit from person with a new class called student. Then I